Mr. Clement Okon, the principal of this UBEC model for the General Secondary School in Akpabuyo. I welcome you people for coming to guide our students on information communication technology. We are lacking hands on this area, but as you came, I am pleased that you not to come only today. We still need you to come again. As you have seen the student, they like the lesson and they want you to be coming regularly so that it will help them to implement their knowledge in the information communication technology. In the school here, we don't have facilities for that. Some of them, in 3 months' time, they are going to leave the school. What of people leave the school without a depth knowledge of this? What would they face outside? You know, UBEC says from 2027, the exam will be computer-based test. So if our children don't have the knowledge of this computer, means that they will record failure. So we need NGOs, private individuals to come and assist us. In almost every homes, there's a computer, and our children are supposed to make use of this. Not only in the adverse, because computer we have an advantage and a disadvantage. Most of our students, they fall to the disadvantage side. You see a child with phone now, will not want to use that phone to do good thing, just to look at maybe pornographic pictures, which is not helping. So we want them to know that they can use this computer, they can use this phone to make money, not to spoil themselves, not to spoil the society. So be coming to see how it helps us, because these are the leaders of tomorrow. If you don't equip them for what will happen tomorrow, when they face the realities of tomorrow, they will trace back to where they started to see that a good foundation was not laid. So I appreciate you coming.